going on, you guys? So I'm trying shorts again. It looks like these new tariff threats are still in play. We are selling off pretty hard here. ES is down 1.4%. NQ is down 1.63%. You can see we're kind of rebounding now too a little bit. So first thing I saw was NQ. This is the one I was trying to play off of here. I'll show you guys though. So NQ went ahead and swept this previous low liquidity. Looks like buyers kind of decided to come in here a little bit. But I believe we still have room to run. Because if you go to ES, we still have this liquidity to grab from a couple sessions ago. Maybe like 2 weeks ago, it looks like now. That's going to be the real support here. So I think that pullback that we just got was actually just a small pullback. Wow. We are really starting to go now. Wow. Let me just show you guys the position here real fast. This is what I'm working with. I was already in a little bit. I just doubled my position. Wow, this is really starting to go now. Oh my gosh, I'm going to add another one here. I'm looking at risk. I was risking off this previous swing high. Looks like this new one just formed here, so I'm moving my stop down a little bit. And I was aiming for this low, but if this really starts to go quickly, I'm going to start moving my take profit here. I'm going to put this on the left. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is S here, so this is what we're aiming for. This right here. So it kind of already did touch support a little bit. I think we get one more touch there, maybe even break that previous low on ES. You can see we're still making these lower highs. Perfect formation for the shorts. Exactly where we're looking to get aggressive here. I'm going to add one more. Screw it. I want to get really aggressive here. Okay, so we're aiming for this low here. 550, it's about 1,000 on each other account. We are up pretty nice already. But I think we can get more. So this is really what I have planned out here. The reason we're watching ES in the background here is because whatever NQ is at, when ES breaks all the way down, if it does, oh wow, it's going now. So this red dotted line here, the support that I have on the bottom, that's the level we're aiming for. And whatever NQ is at, when ES hits that level, is what we will take our profit at. So we need to make sure, oh wow. Damn, this thing's selling off. I just got to my desk too. I just got off of work. 1,000 is our goal, because then we get 2,000 on all of our other accounts that are double leveraged. That would be, I think, just about over $20,000 a day, which I think we can definitely achieve. Now, if we break this low here, I will go break even. This is such a quick trade. Like, I've only been in it for like 10 minutes. I'm already up 8K. That's nuts. Added one more here on this pullback. I think we start getting dragged down again pretty fast here. I want a $20,000 day. I want $20,000 fucking dollars today. There we go. $20,000 fucking dollars. I want $20,000 today. Here we go. Ow. I'm gonna lower my profit here. I'm gonna take just a little bit off there just to lock in some profit when I do go break even. Yes, it's really starting to go here. Come on. Yes, still starting to go here. The red line, that's what we want, that support there. Hopefully NQ hits TP by then. We do got some room to go. So what I might do, this one's definitely not going to turn negative on me anymore, that's for damn sure. I'm not break even. I'm at 10,000 profit right now. We need 20. We need that 20. So those are really stepping up here. Maybe we get like a flash crash dip on NQ, hopefully. I'm going to go ahead and close out the position there, unfortunately. Looks like buyers are stepping up. That's fine. We were up a shit ton. Of course, it starts selling off here again. No way. We're going to give this more time to build some structure, and we're going to see if we can get one more trade in. We really want that $20,000 a day. I think we can get it today. All right, I am trying a smaller position on some longs here because I do think buyers are, it's possible buyers do step up first before we see some short action. But I am keeping a tight stop on this. I don't want to risk more than what I'm up on this trade as well. This is just going to be, I mean, the tightest scalp. Essentially, we're just trying to build a buffer for the next short that we try to catch. Adding to the position here. Yeah, no, I think shorts are going to start taking control here shortly again. Yeah, they will. This is kind of what I was aiming for here, but took it all on that one. That's fine. Move on to the next one. See what we're at now. All right, this is really starting to go, so I'm just going to try shorts here at the bottom. I'm going to get pretty aggressive on the shorts. I do expect this to possibly just gap down here. Let's see how it reacts. So it's at the support now. I feel like normally shorting there would have been really stupid, I know, but I took it because of the magnitude of the news. I need to see some follow through ASAP. Just trying to play this original level I had here on this first trade for the break of $200 flat on MNQ. See, the buyers are absolutely stepping up on ES, so it's holding this up right now. Okay, ES sellers are pulling up. Maybe we do get this dump. I need to see some more aggression here, though. If ES breaks that support, we could really see a flush here. Come on. Oh, we're so close. There we go. Oh, wow. She's going. NASDAQ is almost down 2% at these levels. This could get ugly. It already broke that support, so sellers should be in control here and start taking this down lower any minute now. There we go. Sellers are stepping up. I'm taking a third off there. I'm gonna let the rest just kind of ride out here. This trade is also now break even too, just in case. Take another third off there. This was meant to be just a scalp. I got in a pretty shitty position. Wow. It's starting to go. I'm gonna let the rest kind of try to ride out here. NASDAQ broke that $200 key level as well, so this is looking very bearish. I'm gonna go ahead and take it all there. Not trying to be too greedy. I'm already up a good amount there after that trade. And I think since it's still early in the night, if I'm patient enough, I could probably find one more nice short setup and then kind of just call it a day here. Yeah, so currently I'm at $12,055 and I'm aiming for at least 20,000. I know I could probably hit it today with this news driving the price action, so I'm just going to stay patient and see if I can find one more setup. All right, I went ahead and took a short there on that pullback. We got that breakdown below showing us sellers do still want control back. And also, given the fact that if you see on the left-hand side there, silver is up almost 8% on the session. That is insanity. So, clearly, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And I do think that will continue to add to the sells here on the equities market. So I'm gonna slowly try adding into this. I just realized my TradeSyncer isn't open. Let me open up that real quick. Just want to peek through and see what I'm currently at right now. Okay, here we go. So pulled back. I kept adding. Now I'm guessing we're gonna start getting dragged down here again shortly, hopefully. Added one more there. Going for the session low here, risking the top. It's going to be the max risk there. We are aiming for this session low, maybe even a little more, just in case. With these kind of plays, you always want to leave some room on the bottom, just in case this takes this low and it just starts flushing here. We're really starting to go now. One more candle low, and I'll consider going break even here. Because I think this is going to be a quick one. Wow, that is going quick. What am I up now? Almost 20K. Almost there. Almost thought buyers were going to take us out there, but well, one more low on a candle here. I can go break even comfortably. But I do think we might even get a session low here. Hopefully. We'll take two off at the bottom here just in case and let the rest kind of ride out. This is now officially break even after that candle low break of the candle. Excuse me, break of the candle low. But I really want us to start getting dragged down here lower. I'm like, does this need more room? I was about to move my stop. Hopefully we can just start flushing here shortly. I added 2 more there. Why not? Fuck it. This is really starting to reject. And then I'm going to move down my stop even lower here to break even now. This is starting to act a little weird. I really liked how we sold off there, so... Look at ES, new candle low on ES. Yeah, I think we start to take off here now. Took 2 off there. ES is really starting to go. Took off another 2 there. I'm gonna let this last 3 just ride out, I think. Or just see how ES reacts here. Just looks super bearish. Wow, ES. Come on, ES. Drag us lower. Buyers do look like they might be stepping up here on ES, so I'm gonna go to take that off there. I'm happy with that. That leaves us now at